everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is your English teacher, Bianca. We are going to talk about common mistakes. This video is going to be our third video about common mistakes in English. Is it natural to make a mistake? Of course. Sometimes, I just want to speak, but I forget about a grammar. But if we practice, if we pay more attention, everything will be great. Now we want to focus on 5 common mistakes. Let's get started. Look at this sentence. She likes coffee. Well, it's a very simple sentence, but what's wrong here? She likes coffee. We should say she likes coffee. Well, she likes coffee, but why? The answer is very easy. She likes coffee. What is the tense? The tense is simple present. Well, for simple present, as you know, we should say she likes tea. She likes coffee. What about he? He likes coffee. We like. So if you're talking about we like coffee. You like coffee. Of course, they like coffee. That's totally fine. But because the subject is she, I should say she likes. He likes. It likes. What about the negative? She doesn't like coffee. She doesn't go to work. Now let's take a look at the second common mistake. This common mistake is again related to simple present. He don't understand what I'm saying. Is it correct to say he don't understand what I'm saying? Well, think about it. The correct answer is he doesn't understand what I'm saying. Well, he is my subject. What is the tense? Simple present. What is the negative of he understands? It is he doesn't. Well, when I have doesn't, I shouldn't say doesn't understands. We should say he doesn't understand, and also he don't is wrong because we use don't for I don't, you don't, they don't, we don't. So the correct answer is he doesn't understand what I'm saying. What about this one? I am work every day. Well, it's really good that you work every day, but what is wrong? I work every day, not I am. This is wrong. I am working now. This is correct, but right now we're talking about simple present. So I work every day. She, as we talked about it, she works every day. Very good. He works every day. So I work every day. I go to the gym 3 times a week. I go to the gym 3 times a week. I go. She goes. He goes. What about this one? She always is late. She is always late. This is the correct version. She is. So always comes between is. Before is. She is always late. She is always on time. They're always on time. They are always on time. We are always on time. You are always kind. What about this question? Where he lives? This question is not correct. I should say, where does he live? Where does he live? Where do you live? Where do they live? He. Where does he live? She. Where does she live? Well, I should say, where does she live? But why? Because the question I want to make in simple present, I should say, what do you do? Where do you go? Where does he go? Well, in this video, we talked about some common mistakes that we might make with simple present. I'm gonna tell you 3 important points. The positive. She likes coffee. This is correct. She doesn't like coffee. Yes. Does she like coffee? Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. What does she do every day? What does she do every day? Not what do she do, right? So what do she do is wrong. We should say, what does she do every day? Or I can say, what do you do every day? Well, I hope you find this video really useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you like our videos, you can like, and of course you can share our videos with your friends. I will see you next time. Follow for more.